Man, it'd be nice to see them get to come home.
I would be so mad.
Yeah,
if I was them.
Same, me too, Whitney. Like, I'm ready to get out of here.
Stresses me out for them.
Yeah.
This also stresses me out, y'all. We are not even in official spring. We are still in winter right now. Sitting in the 90s, portions of South Texas right now, and dangerously close to it here in Central Texas. Austin sitting at 91 degrees right now. It has been very, very warm this start to March. Looking out over Temple right now, we definitely had some upper level clouds that filtered on in. Winds are high in the upper levels and starting to pick up at ground level. We have extreme low humidity, you guys. It is very rare for it to be 13% here in Temple this time of year, or really any time of year. We usually aren't this dry. So very dry, very, very warm at 87 degrees. And winds are out of the south and starting to pick up. Going to be a story as we roll on into tomorrow. Wind speeds currently between about 10 and 15 across the board. So they were a little bit lower a few hours ago when I checked, and will go up basically in the overnight hours and be high throughout, especially tomorrow afternoon, but even starting probably for that morning commute. I don't know why radar pulled up. There's nothing to show you there. I do want to show you this. All the pink shaded counties under a red flag warning. That is going to start tomorrow and roll through tomorrow night. We're going to be under a critical fire weather danger. Risk for grass fires to be popping up. Really, this is all of the counties that I'm showing you. It just looks like the worst of conditions are going to be the areas that are under the high wind warning. High wind warning for the yellow shaded counties. Again, same time frame throughout the day tomorrow, especially into tomorrow afternoon, when we may see some gusts upwards of and potentially even over 60 miles an hour. Sustained winds will be about 30-35 miles an hour, and there's likely to be a little bit of a brown tint to the air. We got a taste of West Texas last week. It will likely be a similar day as we roll on into tomorrow. Relative humidity is actually going to be lower tomorrow than what it was last week. Wind gust forecast, and potentially there are some stray gusts that are higher than the numbers I'm about to show you. So again, it's going to be likely at its worst in our far western line of counties. We roll into tomorrow morning. We all wake up to winds already gusting up to 20-25 by tomorrow lunch, more like 30 to 40 miles an hour, and then over 40 miles an hour at times, particularly the areas I'm pointing to right here. We could have those stray gusts that are up to 60 miles an hour. So likely blowing dust in the air. It is not going to be the prettiest time to be outside as we roll on into tomorrow afternoon. Definitely going to have that brown tint to the air. If you have allergies or if the dust bothers you, if you've got kids with asthma or know some older folks, there's people in my family that I'm thinking of that I'm going to make sure to notate to them. You definitely don't want to be outside tomorrow. The winds are going to be back, unfortunately, with another likely red flag warning that will be issued for Saturday across Central Texas as well. Very dry period. You could see it will be warm tomorrow. Slight cool down as we roll on into Saturday and Sunday. But when I say cool down, y'all, we're still going to be in the upper 70s. So actually going to be kind of nice once the winds die down after Saturday. Weather impact alert tomorrow simply because of that wildfire risk and threats. You certainly don't want to be burning anything outdoors. St. Patty's Day is Monday, and look at that. Upper 70s, low 80s. I like that. I don't like it being 90 in March, though, Jasmine.
I know, Whitney, I'm with you. Like, it's a little too early for the heat.